Hi, welcome back. So this is the part two of the previous vlog I've published. So in the previous vlog, if you haven't checked out, I've covered on how to actually collaborate on a task using Office 365 group conversations. Because Microsoft Planner, there's a limitation in the comments section where you can't actually use at mentions and notify people. So there's a quick workaround using Office 365 groups to get over that. But in this vlog, I wanted to stay on the same topic and actually see how you could use Microsoft Teams around the task collaboration. All right, let's jump into Microsoft Teams and have a look at the same task that we looked at in the previous vlog. All right, so here we are within the Microsoft Teams interface, and I've opened the same event plan within Teams itself. And here from the previous vlog, we worked on this particular task called create example 3D samples for the stage. So here, we looked at how you could actually, leave comments, but the thing is, it doesn't actually support @mentions, so we've actually used a workaround to using Office 365 groups to get over that. But now let's see actually how you could actually use the Teams itself. So there's no easy way for you to actually bring this across into a conversation within Microsoft Teams. So the comments that you leave here in here doesn't get propagated into the conversations tab, for example. So you don't see that here. So how do you overcome that is pretty, this is a quick workaround as well. So for you to actually get to that, what you need to do is just click on the three dots next to the plan and say copy link to task. All right, Control C. Now what you do is open the tab conversation icon as I show on the screen. Just click on that, and now you could actually go and say Megan let's say Adel, what is the status of this task, or something like that, and leave a comment in there. And this once these conversations will start appearing in here, and people can actually click on the link and open the task from within the actual Microsoft team itself and work on the task. But the problem though is those conversations actually don't appear in the comments area. So for now, until Microsoft Planner team actually releases a new feature update to allow the @mentions, these are just quick workarounds. All right, there you have it. Hope you've learned something new today. If you did, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube. If not, please do connect with me on LinkedIn. I publish daily Office 365 learning videos covering various aspects. And at the moment, we're talking about Microsoft Planner, but I've got a lot of other ideas to videos planned for Microsoft To Do, Yammer, and so on. And also, if you haven't actually checked out my website, it's called modernwork.cloud. So you can actually find all the videos that I've covered in the past vlogs on my website, modernwork.cloud. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.